In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Notion. Now, whether you're aiming to make your notes look a bit more stylish or just want a change of scenery to keep things fresh, this tutorial will help you personalize your workspace with just a few clicks. Let's start at your Notion homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your pages and workspaces. You want to choose the specific workspace where you'd like to change the font. Clicking on the desired workspace will take you inside, where all of your projects and pages under that workspace are gathered neatly. Once you're inside the workspace, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find three little dots, often referred to as the ellipsis menu. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu containing various options for adjusting your workspace settings. Now let's focus on changing the font. After clicking the three dots, you'll see three font options: Default, Serif, and Mono. The default option is the standard sans serif font that you're probably familiar with. It's clean, simple, and works well for most users. If you prefer a more classic and elegant feel, the serif font might be what you're looking for. Serif fonts have small lines attached to the ends of letters, giving them a more traditional print-like appearance. Finally, if you're going for that typewriter or developer aesthetic, the Mono font is a great choice. Each character in a monospace font takes up the same amount of space, giving it a distinctive uniform appearance. While these options are great for quick font changes, you might be wondering about more customization. If you're interested in exploring additional font styles beyond these defaults, you might want to explore some of our other videos on customizing fonts in Notion. We've dedicated tutorials to help you delve deeper into the realm of personalization. Whether it's utilizing third-party tools or other creative techniques, there's always a way to make your workspace truly your own. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to switch up the look of your Notion workspace by changing the font. Remember, a little personalization can make a big difference in enhancing your productivity and enjoyment while working. So, try out these font options, see which one suits your style best, and start enjoying a fresh new look in Notion today. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.